Good afternoon and welcome to Think Business. My name is Lwabomi Alabi. Today I want to focus on New Life Compensation Plan. An employee earns salary every 30 days, but those who are partners in progress with New Life as a company have what they call compensation plan. I've had questions from people when I go out for presentation. What is in this for me? How do I make money? Obviously, that is their why. But before I go into the compensation plan proper, I want to say that the types of people that we are looking for in New Life business organization are people who understood the difference between passive investors and active investors. Passive investors are people who are not ready to put in time into the business. In other words, they're not ready to commit their time to learn from the business, but they want to put in money and then make money. Passive investors are people who lack financial education, and as a result, they lack financial intelligence. And so if they put in their money, they are going to lose their money. The people we are looking for are the active investors. Active investors are people who are ready to put in their time first to learn, and then they put in their money. The combination of time and money give back to abundance to those who are willing to sacrifice. Is opportunity cost. Sacrifice is opportunity cost. They sacrifice time to learn, and then they put in money. Those are the active investors, and those are the people who, from experience, actually succeed in this business or any other business, but more especially in New Life business. People who put in time and then put in their money, all right, are people who have strong financial education and therefore have financial intelligence. They are the few that are making money in the business. Majority of the people just want easy money. They don't want to put in the time, they don't want to put in the effort, but they want to make money out of it. But today, people who make money from the compensation plan are people who are active investors. Two things I want you to know before you go into the compensation plan is that you need to learn two things. If you want to work with us or you are working with this organization, you need to learn two things. Two things you need to learn. Learn to register. Learn to register. If you have registered, you are a distributor or you are a partner, that means you have crossed the first hurdle. That's the first thing you need to learn. Don't ask too much questions, because as a student, you don't understand everything in school. But as you register and get admitted into the school and you keep learning, every day that you go to school, you learn new things. You are adding to your knowledge. And that's why at the end of the day, you achieve your targets. You graduated with those grades that you had. Secondly, learn not to quit. Learn not to give up. All right? If you have been to school, either primary school or secondary school, you were able to finish school because between the time you start and the time you finish your that level of education, you did not give up. So learn not to quit. Between the time you start and the time you get to achieve your goal, there's going to be issues, challenges. But those challenges are there for you to conquer. That is what makes our academic adventure or business adventure sweet and exciting. So, there's a common saying that says, winners never quit and quitters never win. Of course, Robert Sula says something. He said, tough time never lasts, only tough people do. Active investors are tough people. Who knew that even though now they are zero, but because they have a goal, because they understand the commercial plan, they can achieve their goal. And of course, if you do what will bring in money into your pocket, there's an assurance and a guarantee that you are going to make it in new life. Now, in new life, you can make money in two ways. There are other ways, but two major ways you can make money and rise in new life. One is by making profits, retailing your products to customer directly. That's number one. Number two is by sharing the opportunity. You share the opportunity. Now, let me go to the first one. Now, by retailing your product to customer directly, you make profits on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and on a monthly basis. Because when you achieve a certain level of sales, the company gives you what we call sales volume bonus. And you can do that by doing two things. You use the products, and when you use the product, that means that you are spending money in your own business. You're not buying other competitors' products, you are buying your own product. That means you believe in it, so use the product. Number two, by using that product, you are giving yourself money. Then you share the product. After using the product and you see how effective the product is, you share the product to your friends, to other people, thereby also creating customers for your business. And the second part of it, which is sharing the opportunity, is you by getting more people into your business, talking to people about the opportunity, sharing the opportunity, the business opportunity with other people, showing them the compensation plan, showing them how they can create extra source of income, either as an housewife or as an employee who want to create an extra source of income, because that's the way to go. Not looking for job, not changing jobs, but changing your quadrant. So if you show them the business opportunity, you get them to join your business as business partners or as fellow distributors, and by doing that, you also earn money. Now, when you register, you will get a pack like this. This is a new life pack. This pack is Pro Vitality pack. Okay, Pro Vitality pack. No, like this, you get a kit pack like this after registering. And once you get the kit, inside this kit comes with sample of the product. Now, depending on which kit you have selected. Now, after you have done that, then inside this bag are the tools and the materials that you need to succeed. Now, this is the you see this? This is policy and procedures of the company. And inside here also you have what we call the compensation plan, which is what I'm going to dwell on now. As I said, herein contain how you earn money from new life. Once you get this kit bag, you can understand it. But let me do a quick summary here. But don't forget two things: learn to register and get started. Then learn not to quit. Because you know, if you don't quit, if you don't give up on your dream, surely, as you do those important activities on a daily basis, you will surely arrive at the point where your dreams, what the company promised in this compensation plan, comes to pass. All right? Now, when you sign up as a distributor. That distributor comes with some benefits, and then you are given an ID number. Your sponsors will organize how you get an ID card, and then you will have a distributor pin that you can wear with pride that you belong to this company. And for you to get that pin, you must have achieved at least 100 personal point value in a month, and then you will be recognized. Aside from that, you move to the next level, which is manager level. Before you get to a manager level, distributors have benefits, which I want to share with you, one or two. You can purchase New Life products wholesale, which is estimated to give you 20% discount. And when you sell, you make money. Now, know this secret. You don't make money when you sell, you make money when you buy. You make money, and so the company has given you a room to make money when you buy from the company. Number two, based on your title, you receive regular communications from the company, including lifestyle magazines, New Life News, and you have what they call Team Talk. Now, you also have an opportunity to participate in distributor training. Now, one of the things that will guarantee success in this New Life business is for you not to miss training, because at each training, okay, that is the place where secret of the business is divulged to people who are thirsty to succeed and to make money in this business. Now, you also enjoy powerful incentive based upon your performance. Now, let me quickly do some analysis here. You see, once you start, the best place to start is for you to start with a 250 PV. This 250 PV places you as a manager, and then from this purchase you get 3% bonus of whatever you have spent with the company. Now, the next level is 5%, which is 500 PV. That means you have bought products, either you or your customers have bought product from you worth 500 PV, which is a senior manager's level. So gradually you are climbing. Then you can do a 1000 PV points. This gives you what they call qualified senior manager 1. Okay? And this will give you a 10% bonus discount. Now, if you go ahead and you do 2000 PV, this will give you QSM2, qualified senior manager 2, and that will give you 15% discount on what you have spent with the company. Now, the next one, if you do 3000 PV, okay, you have qualified senior manager 3, and you have 20% discount. That means for the money you spend for the company will still give you a discount for spending that amount of money from you, apart from the profit you have made from the company. And then you have 25% overall when you hit a 4,000 point value that makes you a director in the business. And at the director level, every month you make nothing less between 150 to 300,000 depending on the size of your business. Now that is why it's very important for you to share the opportunity. You either go the route of getting people to use the product and buy the product from you, or getting more distributors into your business whom you will work together to spread the news. And that's why it is very important for you to understand the sacrifices, the requirement, the activities that you need to focus on. Focus on two activities is for you to talk, to share the opportunity more. That is how you guarantee that you actually make enough money for yourself. And success, they say, requires speed. That means we need to have a sense of urgency. All of these things had to be done within 30 days. In this business, without God, you can't make it. Anything in life that you do without God, you can't make it. Number one thing that you have to write at the beginning of the month is, with God, I can make it. If you are a Muslim, you say, Inshallah. If you are a Christian, you say, in the name of Jesus, these are my plans for this month, and I have to achieve it. And then we'll come back and talk to you. All right? What you need to do right now is to focus on spending money in your own business. That's number one. Number two, you also need to talk to people about the opportunity so that they can become partners, fellow distributors with you. And like I said in the beginning, between the starting point and the final destination, there are challenges and there are issues. But then, if as a student you can overcome that, if as an apprentice you can overcome that to learn the trade you have learned, you can also succeed here. People who succeed in new life business neither succeeded because they went to school or because they didn't go to school. They succeeded because they were committed, they were passionate, they love what they do. And so this is how we make money in this business, by using the product, sharing the product, and sharing the opportunity. Because of time, once you sign up, we can give you details on how to practicalize this and begin to earn an income either on a full-time basis or on a part-time basis. I want you to chat me up on 081 430 85411. That's my WhatsApp number. And then I will drop my website. You can go there and do the needful directly, and then we'll see you at the top. Thank you for watching. I remain my humble self, Oluwabunmi Alabi.